Hello, it's El Cheapo here, back to discuss how to homeschool your kids when you work on the phone. It's no secret that I love all things cheap and or free. It doesn't get better than making an income while the kiddos get their education. It's a win-win, so let's dig in. Working remotely while homeschooling your kids. If you take a lot of calls during the day, balancing work and education might seem impossible, but don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to create a realistic homeschool schedule that keeps your kids engaged while giving you the quiet time you need to focus. Plus, I'll share a sample schedule and a free tool that makes homeschooling easier. Let's dive in. If you work on the phone all day, the biggest challenges are keeping kids focused on learning while you're on calls, avoiding interruptions, finding a schedule that works for your family. The key, a structured yet flexible homeschool routine. Let's talk about how to build one. Step 1. Identify your work. Call schedule. First, outline when you must be on calls. If you have set meeting times, schedule independent learning for your kids during those hours. Step 2. Use self-paced learning tools. One of the best free tools for independent learning is Khan Academy. https www.khanacademy.org. It offers self-paced lessons in math, science, reading, and more. Video tutorials that explain concepts clearly, practice exercises to reinforce learning. This means your kids can learn independently while you're on the phone. Step 3. Set up a daily routine. Kids thrive on structure, so create a daily routine with designated learning blocks, quiet time, and breaks. Here's a sample schedule you can tweak to fit your workday. Section 3, Sample Homeschool. Schedule for remote workers. 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., morning routine, breakfast, getting ready. 9:30 a.m., 10:30 a.m., Khan Academy, math and science, independent work, while you're on calls. 10:30 a.m., 10:45 a.m., snack and movement, break 11 a.m., 12 p.m., reading and writing, common lit or red works, quiet time for your meetings. 12 p.m., 1 p.m., lunch and playtime, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., creative time, art, music, or science projects, hands-on activities during lighter work tasks, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., educational screen time, PBS Learning Media, Nat Geo Kids, quiet, engaging learning while you wrap up work, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., outdoor play or family activity. Set clear expectations. Let kids know when you're on calls. Use headphones and visual cues. A mom-dad is on a call. Sign, works wonders. Plan for interruptions. Keep a boredom buster box with quiet activities. Adjust as needed. Flexibility is key. Not every day will go perfectly, and that's okay. And there you have it. A realistic homeschool schedule that works for remote workers who spend their day on the phone. What strategies do you use to balance work and homeschooling? Drop a comment below. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.